Julie here, and today I thought we could do a fun fast food video where I hit up 5 fast food restaurants for their breakfast sandwiches, and we determine which one is the number one. Let's go grab them.
Bing bang bong, bing bang ba bong, bing bang bong, bing ba bing bong, bing bang.
Okay, we're here. Guys, a lot of you in the States aren't gonna have this spot, and I know that, but it's an important establishment here in Canada. You're gonna love it. This next stop, another Canadian institution. A lot of you will have heard of this place. The reason it's on the list is because it is known for its breakfast sandwiches. This wouldn't be a proper test if I didn't involve this spot.
Okay, I made it. I got more than I thought I would because as I was kind of driving home, I was like, ooh, more is better. So I ended up getting 5. We have A&W, Tim Hortons, Burger King, McDonald's, and we also have Starbucks. I went for every single restaurant's sausage, egg, and cheese sandwich. So let's start with A&W. This one is the one that looks most like a burger bun. It's got sesame seeds on it, but it's very soft. I love these. I've been known to order them on road trips like crazy. The bun is so soft. It's got that nice sausage patty, which is a little bit spicy. I like it because you can tell that it's quite obviously a real egg. Really good cheese. I love this. Right off the bat, 8 out of 10. Okay, this next one is Tim Hortons. Many people around the world have heard of this place. Canadian famous. And they do their sausage, egg, and cheese, but on a biscuit. So this one has an egg that is either like pre-scrambled or I worry that it's like powdered eggs. When they made it, they pulled it out of a warming drawer, which is like to be expected. It's a really busy place, but you can just tell it's not super fresh. The sausage is not good. The sausage is not nearly as chewy and meat-like as the A&W one. It's still nice and spicy. The biscuit is not my favorite. I love Tim Hortons. I don't dig their breakfast sandwich. I don't know what they were thinking. This is like a 4. All right, next up, the famous McDonald's Mcgriddle. This is a pristine sandwich. They know what they're doing. They've done their focus groups, peer groups, whatever it is, tested this thing out. They knew that by making a sandwich out of pancakes, they were gonna hit the jackpot, and they did. I get these all the time. So it's 2 pancakes that have maple syrup infused in them. Sausage, cheese, and then again, an egg that looks like it was like properly just made. Like somebody cracked it into a mold when I ordered it. Oh, it is so good. That sausage is perfect. It's like really nice and spicy. Really good texture. Like you can see actual bits of meat in it instead of just mush. I think the bun sets it off. This is a 10 out of 10 for me. I don't know how a person could possibly improve on this, even slightly. Okay, this next one I am really excited for. This is Burger King. Now, Burger King does their breakfast sandwiches on a all butter croissant. What a hook. It looks like it's one of those, it's like a weird folded egg. I've never seen that before. And sausage and cheese. I think the croissant is a gimmick. The croissant is okay. It's not a real croissant. It's quite obviously something that was manufactured to be a sandwich, but to look like a croissant, I think it's more of a selling point. This is not my favorite. What did I say the Tim Hortons was one? 4? I think this is a 5. I think this is slightly better. All right, and now for the last one. This one is from Starbucks. I'm a big Starbucks patron. I love their coffees. I don't normally eat their breakfast sandwiches, but if you're at the airport and that's the only option you've got, sometimes I'll go for them. I recently had this chorizo one and I thought it was pretty darn good, so I'm excited to compare it. It comes on like a ciabatta. It's toasted, it's got egg. I think it's got Gruyere cheese. You know it's Starbucks, they tried to make it all fancy. Anyway, it's like really toasted, looks delicious. This is fancy. I almost want to disqualify this one because it didn't quite follow the rules. It's like a chorizo patty, which automatically you know is gonna taste amazing. A little bit spicy and paprika-y. This is good. It's not what I want in a breakfast sandwich. Like when I think fast food breakfast sandwich, I want something like dirty and cheap And this is neither of those things. This is like poised and elegant, and like I feel like I should be wearing a pantsuit while eating it. So in terms of the scale that I'm using, I'm gonna give this a 7. I don't think it's our top. I think the Mcgriddle is king, and after that is the A&W. Damn, that is a good breakfast sandwich. Well, there you have it. Very, very important discoveries in today's video. Things that are quite possibly polarizing and controversial. What do you think? What is your favorite fast food breakfast sandwich? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.